In this video, I'll be showing you how you get access to your Snap history on Snapchat. Simple and easy to do that. Hop on your profile like this on Snapchat, and then you tap on the setting button you see on your screen, top right corner of the screen. Just tap on that. And on this section, you scroll to the bottom, the last option, and you can see after the logout, you can see my data there. Just open that. Good. So on this page, what you're going to do is you're going to ask for our Snap history from Snap. They are going to send it to us, and then we download it and we can view it. So to do that on this page, what you're going to do is we turn on one of these, and you can see chat history. It contains the Snap history. So just tap on that. You turn that on and you scroll to the bottom and you tap on next, and you can select the preferred date. Yeah, so the Snap history from this preferred date to this preferred date, you get it, and then you tap on submit. Yeah, so after you tap on the submit, your data will be ready. When it's ready, you're going to get notifications. It's going to appear here, and then you just tap on the download and you download it. So that's it on how you get access to your Snap history. Simple and easy. If you are new here, just give me a like. You can see my data is on the way. When they send it to me, I can just hop on that, download it, and get the history of everything. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.